Hi friends, today I'm going to take Unit 2 of Class 3, Bird Talk. Do you think birds find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. Bird Talk. Things say the robin, things say the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat petals, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things say the robin, things say the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? This poem is about a conversation between two birds, jay and robin. They both are talking about people. They set each other to think how people grow. They also notice that people don't have feathers like them. They don't eat beetles, which they love to eat. They also don't have wings to fly and won't like sitting on wires and things as they do. You would have seen birds sitting on wires, branches, and many other things which people won't sit, isn't it? Thinking about all these things, Jay and Robin feels very funny about the people and how they live. This is all about the poem Bird Talk. If you like my class, please do subscribe my channel, like and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my new classes. Thank you friends.